Here we have a Cheng Ying surface grinder. We have it hooked up to 230 volt 3-phase power, and we're going to show you that it works. Before we show you it works, we'll just show you a few things about it. It's got a cabinet, it's got a couple extra wheels and some tooling. Right over here, these little blocks here, you can tighten stuff up to them, so they slide right in here, and then you can move them all the way to the center if you need to, and then you can tighten stuff up in there. Okay. Then a few of the travels. This travels from right to left. We got a light right here. Okay. Then you got your other travel that goes in and out. Okay. Then you got one left travel here that's where you're up and down on your blade or your grinding wheel. And then we'll go up. Okay, we'll go ahead and turn it on here.